So I just wanted to, hear from you guys directly right now that we've completed that. A few questions. So I've put it on the screen so that it's easy for you to, just go through it and tell how was your experience. And this will be very helpful for the future learners as well, right? So they have an idea like what to expect, how to prepare themselves. Yeah. So it is your turn. So I'll call names one by one so that, we can have it in an organized fashion, right? You can go through these topics here in any order, that's fine. Yes, Ayesha, if you're ready, you can go ahead.
Yes, thank you for this opportunity. Good evening, everyone. First, I would like to congratulate everyone who completed their diploma, and soon they will go to attend the graduation ceremony. And I just want to sum up everything in a summary. A year ago, when I took a decision, I did not have any idea about how the journey will be going. But it was amazing, I must say. And DI3 I really enjoyed. And it was very fun of learning, very impressive way of your teaching, practical approach. And I came to know about the quality, and that is a very good software and application. I must say every HSC manager should apply quality software at his or her workplace. And Ibasam, that is amazing. That is really impressive, Ibasam software. And I just came to know about these softwares just to take your classes, just to attend the classes. And in the classes, your way of teaching is really wonderful. Like you shared videos related to the current scenario, related to the current events all over the world. And in this way, we apply our analysis as a HSC specialist, like how to do the HAZOP. And I came to know how to apply PDCA cycle, the STAR cycle on my workplace. This journey was amazing and I really enjoyed it. I'm very, very satisfied about to select institute, to take decision from classes, from attending lectures from you especially, sir. Yes, institute is good, management is good, I would say. They are doing a very superb job. So in the first DI2, I had 1 or 2 problems and I messaged you, and quickly within a second you just replied me, and I was surprised to see that, oh my God, how much someone be so motivated, so cooperative, so coordinated with the student at this level. So I think everything sum up in my overall review. And yes, I'm very happy to take that decision, and I thoroughly enjoyed my journey, learned many things. I'm very confident, sir. I'm very confident to be HSC manager in UAE. So it's just all about from your guidance, and the credit goes to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so very much. Hats off.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Ayesha. And I've been, I still remember going through your homework, and, like you do like an excellent job. Like it used to stand out, between all the task submissions. And I'm like, okay, who is this person who is spending so much time writing such quality submissions? And that's why I always, made sure that you get all the support that you needed. So yeah, very happy for you.
Yeah, Suraj, Ayesha, I would like to congratulate you. You have done excellent, and scoring 84 marks is like marvelous. Okay, it is like superb score. Okay, you made a record, Ayesha.
Thank you for your kind words, sir. But it's just because of sir's guidance, and he guided me in a true way, I must say. And that is the best decision of my life, to do IDip, and to do IDip from 3 years Life Safe Academy. And I got lucky, means to have a teacher mentor like Sir Suraj. These are not buttering words. I'm a very honest person and I'm very hardworking as well.
It reflects to your results as well, Ayesha. See, your kind appreciation, Suraj has done excellent, no doubt about it. But you are the match winner, okay? You are the man of the match, and you are the important, because as a learner, because your efforts, okay, Suraj definitely putting all the best efforts. like a tutor and the students is like a nut and bolt. Okay, I give the example always. So threading, like your thought process and the way of style of the Suraj getting match, all the threading get match, that is bringing the success collectively. Okay, so really is your contribution, Suraj's contribution, and many other factors also. Yeah, but you are the match winner, Ayesha. You have done excellent. I was so thrilled, and we have posted many posts, and we have put your photographs also. I hope you must have liked that. Did you see your photo?
Yeah, yes, sir. I have seen it.
Okay, so nice of you. Thank you.
Thank
God
you,
bless
sir.
you.
Thank you for your kind words. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.